What happens when your automation system loses power? With the Phoenix Contact QUINT-UPS, it never has to. This smart, dual-voltage DIN rail-mounted backup solution is built for critical reliability. From a single 24-volt DC input, it delivers 24 volts at 10 amps and 12 volts at 5 amps, up to 360 watts of continuous power. Intelligent IQ technology ensures optimal battery health, fast charging, and real-time monitoring with relay outputs. Engineered for harsh environments, it features a rugged IP20 metal housing and operates from -25 to +70 degrees Celsius. Safety features include deep discharge protection, a 15-amp boost mode, and selective fuse braking. Perfect for PLCs, HMIs, and critical control systems with redundancy support built in. The Phoenix Contact QUINT-UPS. Efficient, intelligent, and built for the future of automation.